In the small, quaint town of Willow Creek stood an old, sprawling mansion known as Hawthorne House. Its grandeur had long since faded, but the whispers of its past had not. The townsfolk spoke of secrets hidden within its walls, stories of tragedy, mystery, and even the supernatural. The house had been uninhabited for decades, its windows dark and its doors firmly shut. The gardens had turned wild, and ivy crept up the walls, threatening to swallow the house whole. Despite its dilapidated state, it retained an eerie charm that captivated Emma Bennett, a young writer seeking inspiration for her next novel. Emma was new to Willow Creek, having moved there for the quiet and the charm. But Hawthorne House drew her in like a moth to a flame. She decided to explore it, hoping to uncover the stories that lay hidden within its walls. Armed with a flashlight and a notebook, she made her way through the overgrown garden to the front door. Surprisingly, the door was unlocked. It creaked open, revealing a grand foyer covered in dust and cobwebs. The air was thick with the scent of old wood and forgotten memories. Emma stepped inside, her footsteps echoing in the silence. She wandered through the rooms, each one telling a tale of its own. The parlor, with its grand piano and faded portraits, hinted at a family who once knew wealth and status. The library, filled with old books and leather-bound volumes, spoke of a love for knowledge and literature. But it was the attic that drew Emma the most. The attic was filled with old trunks and boxes, remnants of lives once lived. Emma opened one of the trunks and found a collection of letters tied with a faded ribbon. The letters were addressed to a woman named Margaret Hawthorne and spoke of a forbidden love affair with a man named William. As Emma read the letters, she felt the passion and pain that had once consumed their writers. Intrigued, Emma continued her exploration. She found a hidden door behind an old tapestry that led to a small, secret room. Inside, she discovered a diary belonging to Margaret Hawthorne. The diary detailed her struggles with her family's expectations and her love for William, a man her family deemed unsuitable. Margaret wrote of plans to run away with William, but the entries abruptly stopped. Determined to uncover the truth, Emma delved into the town's history. She learned that Margaret Hawthorne had disappeared under mysterious circumstances, and her body was never found. Rumors swirled about her fate, but no one knew for sure what had happened. Emma spent weeks piecing together the puzzle, her mind consumed by Margaret's story. She found evidence that Margaret had planned to meet William on the night of her disappearance. But William was also found dead in the nearby woods, leading to speculation that they had been murdered. As Emma uncovered more secrets, she began to feel a presence in the house. She would hear whispers and footsteps when she was alone, and she often felt as though she was being watched. One night, as she pored over old newspapers in the library, she heard a soft voice call her name. Startled, Emma looked up and saw a figure standing in the doorway. It was a woman in a white dress, her face pale and her eyes filled with sorrow. Emma realized it was Margaret Hawthorne. "Help me," Margaret whispered, her voice barely audible. "Find the truth." Emma's heart raced, but she nodded. "I will," she promised. Guided by Margaret's spirit, Emma continued her research. She discovered that Margaret's family had discovered her plans to elope and had locked her in the secret room, where she died of starvation. The truth had been covered up, and Margaret's spirit had been trapped in the house, unable to find peace. With this revelation, Emma contacted the authorities, who reopened the case. The remains of Margaret Hawthorne were found in the secret room, and the truth of her tragic fate was finally revealed. The townsfolk of Willow Creek were stunned by the revelation, and Hawthorne House became a place of both historical significance and sorrowful remembrance. As for Emma, she completed her novel, a haunting tale inspired by Margaret's life and death. She felt a sense of fulfillment, knowing she had helped a lost soul find peace. And as she left Willow Creek, she glanced back at Hawthorne House one last time. The house, once filled with secrets, now stood as a testament to the power of truth and the enduring strength of love.